there, and welcome back to Just the Tips with Candy Shell and
Jessie Tyler.
This bitch. Guys, we have been hanging out all day long. What have we done? We have taken a quick break during our day of drag, and I want to give you a tutorial and show you how I make my lumptious breast look even more lumptious. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these rings because they're totally in the way, and I'm just gonna expose myself. You don't mind, do you? You guys know what's going on in here, how the sausage is made. Okay,
Scandalous.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna, can I do this? Okay, yeah, just exactly like this. Okay, push this all down. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a white highlight right down the center. Oh, look at that. So bright, so white. People don't realize it, but the brightest highlight on a titty is between the two titties. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I learned this by looking at photos of titties. And I just blend that out at the top. This is just pure clown white. I got this on Amazon for some money for this ginormous tub. I'm never gonna run out. It's my lifetime supply. Just kind of faded that out at the top. And okay, so you want to have two browns. I use this Ben Nye color wheel. It is called CK11, Old Character. Nice. I use both the browns in Old Character, and we're gonna start with the lighter of the two browns. And I'm just using one brush to put on both of these. And this is a brush that you get from Michael's for like cheap to no money. And it's for painting, probably one of those paintings like where you wine and sip, and they teach you how to paint a sunset. Yeah, there we go. So I just drew a line. I started at my nipple and I went down below my actual man boob to a little bit lower because you know what? They're big lumptuous breasts and they're hanging down low. They're heavy with milk and semen or whatever's in boobs. And then I'm gonna make kind of a crescent moon shape out of this whole thing. I'm gonna draw a line from here all the way down to there. And then we can just fill them in together. So I'm gonna do the same thing over on this side. So now I'm just gonna fill this in. Filling it in with brown. I can draw big and round. My big fat boobs, they're in the news. I'm reading Rainbow. My boobs can do anything. Fly in your face and go on a chase. Reading Rainbow. That's good enough for titties to fool the eye into thinking that they're titties. Oh shit. As you can see, it's no masterpiece at this point. But you make that shape and then you're just gonna blend everything in. From the outside in. Blend everything toward the nipple. So we've blended all of that light brown toward the nipple, and now this light brown toward the nipple.
Nipple lashes. Okay, the illusion of it all. Okay, so the brown, the light brown is blended in. So now, what I'm gonna do is just a
little better. Over here, yada yada boom. It's really weird because I'm like not quite candy yet. because this is going on. Like, she would never show up with like these man tits hanging out here. You know, look, it's like one hard nipple and one soft nipple. That's so strange. It's very Nomi Malone of me. Here, I'm gonna put this right here. So I'm tracing the bottom of this thing, and oh, this is, I don't know what happened over there. I'm just gonna go along the bottom of it with the dart. Whoa, no, I've made a mistake. It's fine. I'm basically putting a dark outline on the bottom of this shading, because then it feels like a fat, full, jigless, umptious breast hanging down, bearing a lot of weight. Oh my gosh, can my bra even hold up these lumptious breasts? Pendulous. Okay, so I've outlined the bottom of the light brown with the dark brown. I've made it slightly thinner crescent, and now I'm going to blend that in toward the nipple. Except I'm not going to touch the very bottom edge because I want that to stay crisp. So,
And then this side.
now, okay, so I blended that out, right? Now I'm just going to take a very fair, peachy, fleshy complexion, your lightest foundation, and in this case, in Ben Nye CK11 old character, there's already this color in there. So you can literally get this and white and have all the colors you need to do perfect chatties if you are a white bitch like me. Now, if you are a woman of color, you're gonna wanna go with different tones, but same basic idea. Okay, so now I'm putting a highlight right here on the top. Yeah, it's just like this. Right here where everything's coming together, where your eye, you want your eye to focus right there. And now I'm just gonna blend that out with my fingers. Yet another reason I haven't put on nails yet. Because I love to be able to blend this with my hands and control it. And you see the illusion starting to come to life, I think. So you could set this as it is now, just with translucent powder. But if you want to get extra fancy and keep the darks dark and the lights light, then you can get some bronzer. And I'm taking a brush and I'm setting the dark part with the bronzer. Just kind of coming up about halfway on the boobies, so that I realize that most of this is not going to be seen in an outfit, but you know, when your garment moves this way and that, you want them seeing nothing but realistic, womanly cleavage. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm just going in with my very cheap air-spun loose face powder, and I'll just go over everything else. Okay. And then, oh, it's all over my bra. Disgusting. Oh, shit and titties. Titty shit. Okay, that's pretty good. And dust her off, and let's look at the final result, shall we? Okay, let me just get this all situated. And, do they look real?
Take out biddies, bitch.
Oh,
Take out
real
biddies.
big.
Let's put massage.
Are you drunk?
No, speech impediment.
Massage.
I does what massage.
It's Michelle Visage. Yes, what about her?
Is that what she lost last year?
Yes, I took what she left behind.
Sloppy seconds. Let's get on you, bitch.
I stole away into the plastic surgery dustbin and recovered these sagalicious, fergalicious
Tiggle bitties.
tickle bitties, and now they're all mine. Oh, they're so big, so big. Thank you.